Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Winnie and Walter. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this fun card made by stamping on colored cardstock. For this card, I will be using In Bloom Carolina's Florals along with the coordinating dies. Also using this month's rerun challenge, the scenery Into the Woods, and Ring in the Celebration. Also using Catherine Poulos Party Dress, Grass Skirt, Mandarin Spice, Tiara, and Icing on the Cake for my ink colors. We're going to begin by stamping Into the Woods using Icing on the Cake. I've placed this on my Misty so I can easily turn around my cardstock and restamp on the other side. This is going to be the background of my card panel. Now on a separate piece of craft cardstock that I have cut, I'm going to stamp the ring from the Ring into Celebration in the Celebration using Grass Skirt. Since Grass Skirt is out, I am stamping the leaves onto a similar green colored cardstock, then stamping the florals from In Bloom, both in Tiara and Party Dress, and then moving on to Mandarin Spice. Now for the sentiment, we're going to be using Happy from the In Bloom stamp set, and we're going to create a 4-color rainbow. We're going to get the HA in the yellow with this tiara, then using the Mandarin Spice, Party Dress, and the Grass Skirt. I like to put all my die cuts together and save some time. We're going to run those through our die cutting machine. Once I ran my first batch of die cuts, I'm going to remove them and do my second batch of those stamped images. Now it's time to assemble our card. We're going to place the craft cardstock that was stamped with Ring in the Celebration, put some foam adhesive on the back, and we're going to start layering those leaves on the left and right corners of our cardstock that's sticking up. We're going to place the red or the Party Dress florals with foam adhesive, and then putting the yellow ones with regular adhesive onto the back, and then placing the ones stamped on the Mandarin Spice. I'm going to place a Happy. To finish up, we're going to be using Pretty Pink Posh metallic gold sequins, or excuse me, jewels onto the card. And that does it for this card. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you like what you see, hop on over to the Winnie and Walter shop for more tutorials. Stay on the Winnie and Walter YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an awesome day.